Alrighty folks, welcome back to another unboxing with Zombie. Today we're going to be looking at a few items I got from bulkreefsupply.com. Mostly for my filtration kits, RODI, as well as a new RO membrane. Alright, let's get started. First off the bat, I did want to recognize that. I'm sure there's nothing damaged in there, but we're still going to take a look. Worth noting. Which did seem like it popped the sides there. Alright, we got our RO membrane. Just looking for any relative damage. This looks okay. And then we have from Bulk Reef Supply our DI resin already pre-packed. It's going to be a mixed bed, color changing, and then we also have the ChlorGuard. I think it's 1 micron, might even be 0.5 micron. Yeah, I believe it's 1 micron. Anyway, alright, let's get them installed. If that video is not posted there yet, please check that out. As always, thanks for watching.